Good day, guys, and welcome back again to our channel. In this video, to show the latest updates about the new airdrop. I know you are tired about airdrop, especially Telegram mini apps, but then you cannot ignore all the airdrops just because one of them or a few of them disappointed you. This airdrop you are seeing is what called TAO, and it's a very wonderful airdrop. Okay, so the price right now is for one towel is at $355, and this is not even a hype or a lie. I'm going to show you in this video everything you need to know about this project and why you need to start mining now. Okay, so if you're on this channel for the first time, don't forget hit the subscribe button, like the video, and also turn on our notification to get all the latest update. It's a very simple airdrop to mine. Okay, now before we begin, here is the project handle on X. Okay, so as you can clearly see, it said Substrike opt-in now open, unlocking the first permissionless style mining pool built for inspect users. Okay, so here are the simple things you need to do. You just need to visit this site and start. Connect your X account, confirm your payout address and security compatible, then you join the mining pool. This is all you need to do, and you are going to wait for your airdrop. So right now, you are going to click this link and start. Also, another good thing about this project is that it doesn't even have referral rewards. Okay, so that people don't complain that this so person has more point because he refer more people. It doesn't work like that. It's just based on your activities on X. Okay, so you can use any referral link you need to use. You can check in the video description as I've dropped one there for you. Okay, now you just connect your X here, and here is where you're going to. This is where your TAO reward will be sent. Must be a compatible ERC20 address. Don't worry, I'm going to show you everything here. Now, you just need to connect your X, although I've connected, but I just need to do it for you for the sake of this video. Alright, so you just need to click on authorize. I can see my name there. Okay, guide mode, authorize. So you can see that I've already joined. So, and says joined already. Okay, and here is my X account. Then I can tell you to log out. All right, then update the address. I've already added my address. I'm going to show you the address I'm going to use actually. So that just for the sake of you that have not done. Now to can you just follow the step to connect your X, then to add the address, you can use any of your Ethereum based wallets, all right? Either using your Trust wallet or MetaMask. So let's go to Trust wallet and see. So right here on your Trust wallet, you can just click on receive, then search for ETH. Okay, so then you just click on copy the address here. All right, so once that is done, then you can just go back and paste it here. Okay, you paste it there and you're going to click on continue. So once it's done, then you are all good to go and need to start your activities on X. Okay, so now let me show you the price of TAO as I said, so that it doesn't look like a lie to you. Right here on Binance, so you can see the price of Binance of TAO on Binance here. Right now, it's at 354. Okay. Also, once you check the coin market cap, you can see that the list price of TAO, that is the all-time low of TAO, is just $30. Okay, you can see TAO here. Let's see the overview. All right. So look at the price here. The price of that is the of the TAO. Okay, you can see the market cap and total supply here. So this is total supply. This is all-time high. So this coin has done $767 as the all-time high, and the all-time low is just $30. So it means this coin has not traded below $30 before. So this is a very good opportunity that I cannot afford to miss, and I do hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget again to subscribe and see you in the next one. Good luck.